There are places that ask you to look, and places that remind you how to see. You arrive expecting beauty, but what stays with you is something more. A grand room becomes a dance floor. Music drifts through open windows. A hidden path invites you forward. Gardens stretch endlessly beyond you. The familiar becomes unexpected. A shared smile, a burst of laughter. The feeling of discovering something new, and suddenly, the world feels quieter, softer, more alive. Some places ask to be admired. This one asks to be experienced. To look a little closer. To wander without hurry. To follow your curiosity wherever it leads. Filoli. Come wander together.